Top 5 Kitchen and Pantry Food Storage Containers. Chef's Path Airtight Food Storage Container Set. Chef's Path Airtight Food Storage Container Set is a premium bundle of 14 airtight food storage containers with measuring spoon set and bonus chalkboard labels. These high-quality food storage containers are made from durable, BPA-free plastic that is microwave and dishwasher safe. The airtight lids create an oxygen barrier to prevent any harmful bacteria from growing inside the container, keeping your foods fresh for a longer period of time. They also include a chalkboard marker so you can label your items clearly, allowing you to organize your pantry like never before. One customer said, "Best storage containers ever!" Exclamation. I can't say enough good things about not only these containers but the company and customer service too. The containers are great quality. The kids fit great and remain airtight. Great value for your dollar. Let's move on to our next product on the list. Rubbermaid Brilliance Pantry Organization and Damp Food Storage Containers with Airtight Lids, set of 10. The Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Containers are designed to help you stay organized. These containers come in a set of 10 and include one 19.9 cup, one 16 cup, one 12 cup, one 8.1 cup, one 7.8 cup, one 6.6 cup, one 3.2 cup, one 1.3 cup, and two 0.5 cup mini containers that can be used for storing food or pet food in the pantry or refrigerator. They also stack for easy storage when not in use. A customer review said these are the most beautiful and Brilliance containers ever. Better than OXO and definitely less breakable. You won't regret. Let's move on to our next product on the list. Extra large tall food storage containers 7QT/220/6.5L for flour, sugar, rice from Chef's Path. Superior bundle. Your entire package includes 2 BPA-free quality food storage canisters, 7.3 x 6 x 11.2 inches, 4 measuring cups, a chalkboard pen, and 8 additional reusable chalkboard labels, allowing you to organize your pantry like never before. This set comes in a lovely box, making it an excellent present for any family. Nobody else in the market offers you more value than Chef's Path. Solid seal. The side locking lids on these tall plastic food containers offer optimal freshness and food preservation by sealing tightly. They'll keep your food safe from air and water, so you'll never have to worry about your favorite foods going bad. Containers that can be used in a variety of ways. Dry items such as flour, sugar, rice, grain, chips, cereals, almonds, beans, snacks, pasta, coffee, and tea are perfect for storing in these airtight food safe keepers. Stackable and easy to put into your refrigerator, freezer, or closet, these robust bins will help you organize your kitchen and save up pantry space. These transparent containers are also simple to clean, user-friendly, and ready to use. Our guarantee: we are so certain that you will enjoy our containers that if you don't believe it was worth every penny of your investment today, we will refund your entire cash. No questions asked, and you can keep the containers. Airtight food storage containers, V-Top Mart 4 pieces BPA-free plastic spaghetti containers with easy lock lids. 4 containers in the same size. This set has 4 large, airtight containers of the same size. Each has a capacitance of 1.9 liters, 1.7, 3.8 x 3.8 x 12 inches. Suitable for spaghetti, pastas, meal, sugar, rice, grain, beans, coffee, tea, and snack storage. Help organize your kitchen and dressing room. Imagine waking up each morning to cook breakfast and going to the kitchen. You found it all organized well. Not chaotic any longer. You can swiftly obtain all you want. It makes organizing the cupboard easier for you. You can identify content by clear containers. Our airtight containers are sturdy and shatterproof from high-quality BPA-free plastic. The container's plastic is quite clear. Without opening it, you can identify the content. Fresh and dry food airtight. You may open or close our plastic containers safe using just 2 fingers using sophisticated screening mechanism. Clip the ring simply to open or to lock and stick down the ring. 24 labels for reuse. These labels will never allow you to mix flour with powdered sugar or baking soda. You can switch contents as you need them. They are reusable. One customer said, "Firstly, product is awesome and I'm happy. The seal in the lid is easy to open and feels airtight." You can see 2 different size containers. I bought them both from same company. Both have the same height and width, but one is deeper than the other. Think square vs rectangular. Let's move on to our final product on this top list. Utopia Home Set of 8 Pantry Organizers includes 8 organizers, 4 large and damp, 4 small drawers organizers for freezers, kitchen countertops, and cabinets, BPA-free clear plastic pantry storage racks. A set of 8. The set of 8 pantry organizers enables for improved shopping organization by giving adequate room for commodity allocation. Not ISH washer safe, BPA-free, hand clean with mild detergent and water, temperature range 20° to 50°. Great storage capacity. The drawers are large enough to comfortably hold commodities in large quantities. The set includes 4 large drawers and 4 smaller drawers for easier grocery item arrangement. Sturdy construction, transparent DSIGN. Its strong construction ensures that it will endure a long time. The transparent design makes the search process easier because you can easily find the desired items. Friendly to the user, the built-in handles make it easy to transport and handle the drawers. Its design takes up less storage space. One customer said, "Exactly what I needed. These are great organizers." And yes, they stack. They have handle openings on either narrow end. One juts inward and the other outward. To stack, just stack them opposite of the one below them, so the bottom one has the end that juts outward by the open end of yourself. The one on top of it needs to have the end that juts inward toward the open end. Alternating allows them to stack. Having them all the same direction means they nest for storage. We hope you enjoyed this review of the top 5 kitchen and pantry food storage containers. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future video reviews. See you next time.